Allahabad, Maharashtra state. Guided for MPhil and PhD students and published research papers in the mathematics and ancient modern mathematics. Sir has received a very prestigious award for extraordinary contribution in higher education from Bharata Shikshana Mandal, Mumbai. With this brief introduction, I present before you Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari, and also I thank the organizer for providing such an opportunity to introduce an innovative educationist, Dr. S. Dharmadhikari, of today's webinar on quality enhancing AQAR, SSR, and documentation. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. I request all the participants, please mute your audio and video. Okay, so we can start the session. Without much of your time, now I request Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari, educationist, NAC and UGC committee member to start the session.
Thank you. Good morning to all participants. I thank in the beginning Principal Dr. Holkeri sir, his colleagues and the organizers of this particular webinar. In the beginning, I shall tell something and then I shall start actually NAC procedure. Some things are related to NAC, some things are out of the contest in that way, but I will tell in the beginning. First of all, I may say one thing, that forget about the introduction given for me by Patan Shetty sir. You think that at the age of 70 years, I can be elder brother from anybody's house. And your elder brother is telling for your career enhancement, college development, and particularly quality individual, quality institution, and then quality India. So we have to listen that carefully for that purpose. You can do, you will do, that confidence you have to develop. That is the thing. Next thing is, I am living in Pune in military area. Their network problem is there. After 1 hour, sometimes the network is for 5 to 10 minutes, it is stopped. It will begin again. So for 5 to 10 minutes, everybody should join again. If it is stopped, sometimes it is done. So I start with my lecture. Hereafter, after Corona period, every college, every institution, higher institution, school education has to go for virtual learning, online classes, and such type of guidance talks. You will find that any college who wants to go for NAC, they should have 3 to 4 such video conferences, webinars for their college only. In first lecture, everything will be known to them regarding 7 criteria, how to write that, then difficulties of each faculty members and solutions of them. I am giving such thing. In last 2 months, I have given nearly 40 guidance talks, such type of guidance talks in all India for 40 colleges. You will find that online guidance is important in that way. You will find that as far as NAC is concerned, you have to take care of facts and figures. What I want to say, when I take facts and figures, somewhere figures are asked. Somewhere figures are asked, somewhere percentage is asked. But you must think that regarding student enrollment, reservation policy, university level participation, teacher profile and quality, professional development and administrative training programs, academic activities conducted for faculties and for students, then organization and participation also. Seminar, conferences, workshops, webinars in that manner, then grants received, research projects taken, research papers published, all these things, somewhere it is percentage, somewhere it is, they are demanded in figures. So you take care of these figures and percentage. Remember one thing, in SSR, RAR, or in AQAR, there should not be these words, no, not, nil, zero in that manner. Figures also not 2, 3, 4, 5. The figure should be about 20, 25, 30, 40, 50 in that manner. As far as percentage is asked, here everybody has to go above 50%. 50% means, you remember, it is C grade. 75% around that means B grade. And 90%, 100%, that means it will go A to A plus and A double plus. So you keep in mind all those things and do accordingly. You will find that in the beginning, I must say that your website, college website should be perfect. After this corona period, actually before this lockdown, in the month of November, December, we had a meeting in Bangalore. So there up to last December 2019, everything was taken not so seriously. But now in 2020, everything will be taken seriously. All things regarding e-governance, e-communication, all things that I'm going to tell, they will be taken seriously. You will find that during last 6 months, 80 colleges, SSR and IIQA have been rejected by NAC because minimum 35%, 40% passing marks are not given by the DVV, Data Validation and Verification Center. So everybody should take care of that we must get at least passing marks for submission. So that thing was not there earlier. In IIQA also, you have to write properly everything. In IIQA, for 2-page document, you have to submit for this NAC procedure. There, the one question is there any foreign collaboration? So you take that foreign collaboration with Bhutan, Bangladesh, any neighboring country or America, England, you must have e-copy of that and some activity you must have done online. So if that foreign collaboration is done and if you write, yes, we are having foreign collaboration in IIQA, your grade starts elevating. So you take care of all these things in your mind, update your particular website. Everything should be, whatever you have done today, that should be uploaded in that website, on that website. You will find that now banking procedure you have to remember in colleges. What is that banking procedure? In banks, what happens? Every clerk does the work, transfers everything to the manager's folder, manager sends to head office. So in that way, every department, every faculty members must prepare a profile, file or something, document on that computer, departmental computer, transfer that to IQAC on the same date. That is very important. Now from NAC authority, 4 persons are coming in the college. 3 persons will visit the department's principal, all those things, procedural part, but 1 person will look after only documents in the computer. Principal computer, IQAC computer, departmental computer, lecturer's computer, office computer, everywhere that is seen. So 4th person is looking for only files in the computer on which date they are uploaded. Now, Horkeri sir, you have done your NAC. After 3 years, after 4 years, you may be facing, but your NAC future depends upon what you do today. After getting the certificate from NAC, suppose on 31st December, on 1st January, you have to start new activity. Nothing should be repeated from earlier SSR. So you just remember that new activities immediately started, one thing. Second thing is immediately after getting the certificate from NAC for your earlier NAC process, IQAC must conduct a meeting for prospective strategic plan for next coming 5 years. And you have to put that on website. Those are facing NAC now in due course of time. They should remember that you place it in this month only. Suppose you are going for NAC in the 2022 and you are doing all these things in 1 month prior to that, that will not be good. Your SSR, IR, it will be rejected, remember that. So website should be updated, that I want to tell. NAC future will depend upon what you do today, that I am going to tell. Another thing is standard operating procedure is given on website. So you look after that. What evidences, what are required and what are not required, they are given there. Do not go. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second.
No,
I request all the participants
to mute your camera as well as audio. It's a humble request for all the participants because it will be a disturbance for the resource person to convey his message. So I humbly request all the participants, please mute your camera as well as audio. Okay, thank you. Sir, please carry on, sir.
Oh, okay. So I'm telling you that website should be perfect and everything that is required in framework that should be uploaded on your website. That is the thing that I want to tell. Next thing is all 7 criteria you are given, but I can combine those 7 criteria in single sentence. And when you want to go for NAC, remember this sentence always. You are doing activities related to that or not. What is that sentence? That sentence is simple in this manner. ICT, industry-based, outcome-oriented, ICT, industry-based, outcome-oriented academic performance through collaborations with Neighborhood Community Connect by using technological amplification of learning. First word is ICT. ICT is not simply using PPT and LCD. Much more than that. I shall tell that on afterward. Then is industry base. Industry base means you remember that industry project should be there, not only industry visits. Industry project should be there, research project should be there, some collaboration MOU should be there, and a research grant it is received from industry for their purpose. Then on-job training, internship, that can be done from industry. All such things they are included in that industry related. Then it is outcome oriented. What is outcome? Whatever activity you are doing in the college, outcome is now very important. Peer team will ask for each and every event, what is the outcome of that? Suppose you have taken blood donation camp, what is the outcome that will be asked? 100 blood donation camps you have organized in 5 years, maybe there, but actually if you conduct only 20 blood donation camps in this manner, in blood donation camps you got some persons from blood related diseases, anemic conditions, other diseases, then you must cure those patients. You must cure those patients and take their certificates that this college organized this blood donation camp and these diseases we formed regarding blood, and they have cured, they made helpful, they have made the help for the curing it also. So all such things there, that is outcome oriented. Now post COVID, I am connecting to that corona also. For corona, everybody is doing some awareness programs, some social work. That is not sufficient. Awareness program, community work, that may be there, but you have to go to the patients and you have to be instrumental in curing them. Take the doctors to some village, make them to cure in that manner. Awareness program, distribution of masks and sanitizers and all those things. Awareness programs are all there, and getting in touch with India nationally and internationally regarding corona. So everywhere that outcome is very important. That I'm telling you. Then comes academic performance. Remember, academic performance does not mean only university result. Academic performance, when I say it covers all these things. What is that? University results are there. Then suppose 500 students got the degree from your college in last 5 years. Then you must tell that out of that 200 students got placement on campus. 100 students got placement off campus. 100 students are doing self-business. Some 50 students have gone for further studies, higher studies, and 10 to 15 students are only remaining jobless. That means 90 to 95% of your college must have jobs, or they must earn the money. So that's why you must think of this in the form of outcome-oriented academic performance. Then I told you collaboration. That is important. I shall tell in detail what type of collaboration MOU linkages that should be there. But collaborative activities, they are must. Then next comes with Neighborhood Community Connect. In Neighborhood Community Connect also, NSS, NCC, sports, they are doing their duties, no problem. But you have to do that activity for community and involving the community. Both the things are there. Actually, what are the events are going on in your state or in nation, you should contribute in that. Like Sage Economy was there, internet banking was there, demonetization was there, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao was there. whatever activity that was there in prevailing in that particular situation, in that time period, you must contribute, you must awaken the society. So involving the community and for the community, student participation is also important. Remember in NAC, I have some persons, management and principal, some 4 or 5%, they come to me in Pune to meet me. Their SSR have been rejected. There are different reasons, but one reason of a college was this, that 500 students were there in their college and only 50 students they have shown in SSR, in NSS, NCC, sports or any activity. NAC asked, what about remaining 450 students? College gave answer that they didn't turn up to the college. Their SSR is rejected. So you have to take care of that also. 90 to 95% students should be taken in different committees, decision making, activities, all those things. Remember one more thing in NAC, no activity and no student should be repeated in SSR, in first, second, third criteria, all that. If they are repeated, that will not be counted. Total number I am telling you, 1,000 students are there. You just take care that 90 to 95 students, 5% students are in RAR. Then you can repeat some of them somewhere. So that part is also important that I want to tell. So collaborations, neighborhood community connect, that is very important. Next, I have written by using technological, remember, amplification of learning. What is the sentence I told? ICT, industry-based, academic, outcome-oriented academic performance through collaborations with neighborhood community connect by using technological amplification of learning. And this technological amplification of learning means lot of things are there that I shall tell separately for 15 minutes. So that part you remember. You will find that nowadays the situation is educationally do or die, do not ask why. Simple. Do or die or do not ask why. New education policy have been launched. You might have read that, you might have seen that. In that particular new education policy, first year certificate course, second year diploma certificate, diploma degree and 3-year degree that will be given. Student can opt any subject at any level. He can opt for physics, accountancy and music. In that manner it is going on. So a college must have innovative ideas, innovative courses all the time. If some village, some city has 3 colleges there, if one college is doing all these things, in next 3 to 4 years, the other 2 colleges will be closed down. No student will go there. So you will find that all these things, they matter much. And nowadays, we must think of global vision with social responsibility. That is very essential. This corona has given a chance. Global vision with social responsibility. Our Prime Minister has given tablets to USA on the request of Trump, Donald Trump. Why? Because it is global vision with social responsibility. Corona tablets have been given for that curing. So all these things you must take care of that and you go accordingly. I think most of you must understand Hindi. Some things I shall tell in Hindi because that cannot be translated in English. I will tell you one share, shero shairi share. That share you might have heard. अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला. अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला. जिस दिए में जान है वही जलेगा. जिस दिए में जान है वही जलेगा. I tell accordingly now. अब NAC ग्रेड करेगा कॉलेज का फैसला. अब NAC ग्रेड करेगा कॉलेज का फैसला. जिस कॉलेज में क्वालिटी है वही चलेगा. जिस कॉलेज में क्वालिटी है वही चलेगा. बाकी सब कॉलेज बंद हो जाएगा. सो इस तरह से आपको सोचना है, इस तरह से आपको देखना चाहिए. सो यू मस्ट थिंक इन दिस डायरेक्शन. वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल. We everybody have a policy of taking easy. Taking easy policy is very dangerous for NAC. Do not take it easy, but make it easy. That is my mool mantra. Do not take it easy, but make it easy. Simply that you go in that direction, that will be very easy. I give you 2 words. You stick up to those 2 words. They are related to NAC. I shall go to criteria afterward. Those 2 words are very important. First word is smart. Everybody should be smart. You will say that what is new in that? Wearing good clothes, speaking well, that is smartness. No. Smartness should be in this sense. S stands for specific. How much specific you are in writing RAR, SSR, AQR, that is very important. Suppose you want to teach to the students in the class for 45 minutes. You prepare at home. If your preparation is not well, you teach to the student for 10 to 15 minutes and then start chit-chatting. And then second word in that SMART comes YUM. YUM is measurable. Then students measure you. Whether this teacher is good or bad, he does not have material, he is not good, telling true things or good things. In that manner, that measurable part goes on. Principal and management measures you all staff members all the time after the appointment. After getting the appointment, if one faculty member is doing good activities, he will be recognized. He is doing bad activities, he will be terminated. All these things, that measurable part is going on, remember that. Then in SMART, the next word is A. A is achievable. How much achievable you are, you have to think always. I'm at the age of 70. Still, I am thinking of achievable. After getting the appointment as a lecturer in the college, in 3 months, in 6 months, in 1 year, have you thought of regarding your achievement, career advancement, departmental development, college development as a whole? Have you thought of it? Have you given some ideas to the principal? That achievable part is also important for NAAC writing, report writing. Then comes R in SMART. R stands for relevant. Relevance is very important. Yesterday's skills, they are not important for developing the future of the present student. So develop your skill and potential. Relevance is important. Update yourself. If you are not updating, you will be out of use. That is the thing. Then comes in SMART, it is T. T stands for time bound. That is very important. Time bound in the sense, I tell always in time and to the point. For example, suppose any college wants to submit report, NAAC report on 1st January 2021. 1st January 2021, I am saying. Before that, 15 days, that report should be on principal's table for his reading for modification. Before that, 1 month, that report should be in IQAC. And IQAC shall moderate, rectify, correct that report. Before that 15 days, criteria persons should write each questions very well and submit to IQAC. Before that, again, 15 days, IQAC members will go from department to department. No notice. I am not for regarding sending the notice and giving the reply. The faculty members give after 8 days, even though it is demanded in 3 days. So the criteria person should go from department to department. Principal shall give a notice to all departments that within these 8 days, you consolidate the work done by you in last 5 years. In next week, criteria persons will come in permutation combination way and they will collect the material. And after collecting these materials from departments by permutation combination way decided by the principal, criteria persons must have material, raw material, and they will write the answers to that. One more thing I want to tell to the principals, Horgiri sir, you appoint for each question a responsibility for each faculty member. Suppose one faculty member is there, he is IQAC team member, doing for criteria 3 in charge, but still he will be given responsibility of 6.4.5, 7.1.2. So criteria chairman also will have responsibility for other criterion points and they will think of innovative thing for that. Whatever things you have done, consolidate that. Whatever innovative things you want to do, they must think for that. Remember that every faculty member must have a proactive mindset. Proactive in the sense I am saying everybody should think that. You may be knowing that every person has 120 dimensions in their brain. We are not using those dimensions, 120 dimensions. You take Lata Mangeshkar or Sachin Tendulkar, they are also using their field. They have some 30 to 40, 50 dimensions. But we teachers are working with compulsions and compromises. So we have to use more dimensions. So whatever things have been done earlier, forget. Hereafter, from today onward, every faculty member should think in a month. Out of these 120 dimensions, they will get some idea. Convey that idea to the principal. Principal will have some ideas from faculty members. Principal will have some ideas in their mind, and
Sir, you're been muted, sir. Please unmute, sir.
So don't
Yes.
think NAC procedure in simple manner. Think NAC procedure to establish your college brand. Every faculty member should give one idea to the principal hereafter. With his idea, principal and these ideas will implement something, and a college brand will be established. It will be famous not only in the state but all over India. So you think in that direction. That proactive mindset is required. One more thing I want to tell, that everybody must have two mobiles, not these pocket mobiles. Everybody must have two mobiles, that is mind mobile and brain mobile. And chargers of these two mobiles, mind mobile and brain mobile, they are with you. That charger is willpower charger. You think always in that direction. I am looking in this direction for NAC, and hereafter also in higher education policies. I was a member in subcommittee of HRD ministry regarding that. So you must think accordingly, you will get the ideas. So what I want to tell, that this particular time-bound program I am telling you, smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. One more thing I want to tell, that you must have for NAC 3 senses. Which senses? Sense of reasoning. What type of reasoning you are giving in RAR, SAR, SSR, and what type of reasoning you are giving to peer team member? Justifiable reasoning should be there. Peer team member knows that you are bluffing, that you are just going some odd thing. But justifiable reasoning, proper reasoning, sense of reasoning should be there. Then sense of proportion. Up to what extent you have to speak? Up to what extent you have to write? Suppose you want to write 1-page document, can it be in 10 lines, 15 lines, 5 lines, in that manner? If you want to brief something to the principal, be brief. Within 2-3 sentences, you must tell that. You will find that that becomes the effective. So all these things, they are very important. Sense of proportion. Then I come to sense of priority. Priority should be given to NAC 5 principles. Which are 5 principles? First is national development. Whatever things are going in the nation from time to time, you should be involved in that. National development. Global competency. Think globally and act locally. That is called, we call it as glocally. I say glocally. So that thing you must have. Then third thing is quest of excellence. That quest of excellence is very important. I am telling you, innovative ways, there are so many things coming. If one software, if one faculty member is using this year, next year, new software that can be seen. That quest of excellence should be there in that manner. Then comes using modern technology. When I say modern technology, yesterday's technology is old. Today, some new technology have come. I'm going to tell all these things in detail. So today's technology is new. Yesterday's technology is old. So this modern technology is important. And then comes moral ethical values. Those are important. You have to prepare the document of code of conduct and core values. You have to put on your website today only or tomorrow only, as early as possible. Not only that, in new methodology, you have to give awareness program to faculties and students periodically. Maybe daily, maybe weekly, maybe monthly. If national anthem is there in the college, after that national anthem, you just say 5 to 10 sentences for the document that you have prepared for code of conduct and core values and put on website. Regarding that, put something on your notice board every day. Students should read that. So that periodic things should be given, that is written in new SSR framework. So that code of conduct, core values, those are important. So that's why I'm telling you, these senses are very important. You have to go according to that. I told you that smart word, similar word is there, pride. Remember that. You can remember the words so that you can remember the NAC procedure. That I want to just insist. Second word is pride. Professional pride you must have. I am this profession, I am the best. I am in the profession, I will do the best. This pride means, what is that? I want to tell. P stands for positive working environment. That should be there in college, every college. Positive working environment. In Calcutta, in nearby college of Calcutta, I had been for a peer team member. There in the college, this is not seen, positive working environment. Nobody was serious. Nobody was showing documents. Nobody is listening to principal. Faculty members, they were looking to the mobiles in the campus. So we conveyed to the NAC office. They said that you give letter and degrade the college. So this positive working environment is very important. I shall tell you one simple example. You cannot see what type of things are going on. You cannot judge. Some colleges call me, sir, we have done good thing, but still we got the less grade. Why that less grade is obtained? We have done everything good. But I tell you one example. In principal's room, peer members are sitting. Principal calls somebody, faculty member. If that faculty member comes after half an hour, 15 minutes, after some time, then that is seen by the PLT members. If he comes to the principal and asks in this manner, what is the work? I have come just now. You are telling so many things. Body language and communication skill, that is also seen by PLT members. Two members are just looking in mobiles in the campus and PLT members are going from here and there. That scene is also not good. Faculty members should be in the college, either in their laboratory, in reading room, reading this, involved in computer ICT technology, in the classroom, or involved in the students. In that way, the college atmosphere should be there. So that positive working environment is very important. Then comes R. R means recognizing everyone's efforts. Principal and management will be asked, what are your encouragement and welfare schemes for the students and faculty members? That should be put on website now only. So those recognizing everyone's efforts, that is important. Then comes I. I means involvement of everyone. I had been to a college in northern India. Then there, I asked a staff member last 4 years back. I asked that what is your contribution in sending this snack report to the NAC office? That staff member told that I have not done anything. Principal and coordinator have done everything. That means he has not done. His contribution is not there. Involvement is not there. So that is not good. I am telling you that's why, sir, every staff member should be involved. They should be given a responsibility of some questions for innovativeness. Criteria persons will be there. Criteria team will be there. No problem. Still, everybody should be involved in this manner. So in that way, involvement of everyone, that is important. Then comes D. D stands for development of skill and potential. You have to develop yourself and update the student by that. Students are very smart. Recently, I had been for a mock visit in Mumbai. Students were asking the thing that have been done in the class of New Year in London to the teachers. Principal was telling, and teachers were telling that I don't know. That should not be there. All these things, updation and giving potential to the student, that is very important. Then comes in that pride, it is E. That E stands for effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. That is very important. Effective evaluation means internal evaluation method. That I shall come to that part next some half an hour. So effective evaluation means internal evaluation. University does that work. You are now, your college is autonomous college. You have to take care of that also. So evaluation process is there. Then feedback. This structural feedback should be there. IQC has the responsibility, this responsibility. This feedback should be structural, online, somewhere manual also. But feedback collection, analysis, and improving measures taken accordingly, you have to take in meetings, different subcommittees, and you have to develop that. Then comes placement. Effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. I am saying that placement does not mean that Tata, Ambani, Birla, they are coming to your college and giving 100% placement to your college. Not like that. When I say placement, now Hubli is better city, I know that. But there are some villages where Tata, Ambani, Birla will not go. But the college must do some efforts for placement, some efforts for coaching for competitive exams to make them have jobs, good jobs in that way. So placement means efforts for placement and coaching for competitive exams. That thing should be more and it should be outcome oriented. Some human resource managers from any companies, some technical persons know how, technical persons know how persons, they should be brought to the college, given training to the students. How to write resume, how to present PPT, how to answer the questions in interview, all these things, they are in in software also. Show those softwares to students weekly, monthly in the library on some LFD, large format display TV. All these things are necessary now. So you will find that those colleges are not doing whatever I am telling, that they will be in danger of rejecting SSR, rejecting IIQA, and at the most getting C grade. At the most, I am saying. But for B grade and A grade, you have to go 75%, whatever I am telling, all those things. Then I'm telling you about that effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. So SMART and PRIDE that I told you. So you take care of that. Then I want to tell one thing, that in SSR, in different criteria, you are having qualitative statements. 500 words documents you have to prepare, put on website. In those documents, you are having curriculum delivery document, perspective, important things. Others are also there. Curriculum delivery document, strategic development plan, perspective plan, teaching learning methods, then faculty profile, ICT technology use. All these things you have to write in 500 words in different criteria. Those should be written very carefully and very, what do you say, in ornamental language. Not in simple language, I am going, you are coming, in that way. Ornamental language, when I think, it is factful ornamental language. Actively it is done. I can say some sentences now. You think of those sentences and put there, like that, some more sentences. First sentence I shall tell, somewhere you must write, all our faculty members are involved in training the brains of the student for their placement gain and overall development. Second sentence I may tell, that college is marching towards excellence all the while in all possible quality ways. We have done digitalization in the college, institutional repository is done, library has got that document, digital library, digital college we have done. You must say there that we have done this because in digitalization we are going to meet our present for our future by looking to the past thing. Here past meets present for our future in that way. The college is doing many green practices, tree plantation, not plantation, no, preservation also. So many things you are doing, green practices, energy things and all those things. There somebody should say that we are doing all those things, green practices, to nurture the nature for our future. Very simple. To nurture the nature for our future. When you listen this sentence, peer team or SSR, it looks somewhat elevated at the top. So you must think all those things in that manner, write those 500 words documents in that way. As far as first document is concerned, curriculum delivery document in first criteria, you are writing teaching plan, academical, everything you will write, group discussion, seminar, everything you can write. But the main thing is misplaced. It is not written. What is that? You must say this sentence, that IQAC conducts in the beginning of every academic year the meeting to verify the syllabi of each subject of the college from the affiliated university. Unless you verify the syllabi from affiliated university, how are you making the teaching plan and academic calendar for the year? So all these things are necessary sentences. Those should be put. Very good time should be given for that. Most of the colleges now in Maharashtra and some colleges in other state also, they have done contact with me and they are sending me the documents for correction also. I am doing all those parts in 3-4 visits, now webinar visits, and their grades are good. In Kerala, 2 colleges got AA and A+ grade recently due to my these 3-4 video conferencing with them, checking the documents and all those things. So all these things, they are necessary, you remember that. So as far as the curriculum delivery document I told you, then comes in one criteria. I'm telling about some main points of the criteria, very tricky points, simple points I don't tell, like student teacher ratio, whatever ratio you have to give, student computer ratio, that should be ideal 1:5 or 1:2 or 1:1, not 1:20, 1:100 in that manner. Computer should be more. Student teacher ratio, student computer ratio, mentor mentee ratio also. I shall tell regarding that mentor mentee afterwards something. So all these things you must take care of. Then comes in that one criteria, difficult thing, online courses, offline courses. There it is written courses you have to develop. Which type of courses? Skill oriented, job oriented, value added, all those things that is written. But out of that, some should be online, offline. They should have experiential learning also. That is important in new methodology. They should have on-job training, internship, such type of courses. When you take online courses, third year, final year student must have some online courses from America, England, or new courses developed, need-based courses, time-based courses, job-oriented courses. Those you must see. I shall give some names of the courses. Such names should be there. Innovative courses in your SSR. Which are they? Just see. Corporate social responsibility, one course. Employability techniques, on-job training course, critical reasoning, sustainable development, foreign trade, accent training, good course. In foreign jobs are there, accent training, different languages, world languages. Then comes employability techniques regarding new technology like cloud computing, Python language, artificial agency, IoT, big data, Hadoop software, all such related courses, ethical hacking, remote sensing, all such new. There are different. I am having 150 courses. I am having syllabus also. I am having. So all such things you must have. You just go for the courses in this manner, and then they should be need based, job oriented, outcome based in that manner. So you must think of that. Next, you must think of slow learners and advanced learners. That is not only for writing purpose. Remember, most of the colleges, they are taking for writing purpose. If students are asked in student interaction, in students feedback by NAAC, they will not give answers for that, slow learners and advanced learners. What is the thing that I want to tell? Make it effective in this manner. After teaching a topic in this month, take a class test of 20 marks in the next month. Out of that 20 marks, below 40% slow learners, above 60% advanced learners in each class you obtain. And for slow learners and advanced learners, monthly 3-4 periods you take and do these things. For slow learners, difficult topic repetition, study material preparation, training for that, one-to-one interaction, assignments to boost their confidence level. More books are given to them. One JLG group is formed. New thing I'm telling, most of the new things I'm telling in this lecture. JLG means joint liability group. This slow learner, one student, advanced learner, one student, that is joint liability of them. Advanced learners should teach to the slow learner to upgrade him. One group discussion session will be there in a week of that time. So that JLG, joint liability group, slow learners, these activities. For advanced learners, ICT technology use of software, brainstorming sessions, event analysis, some mini research projects, some industry related projects, then competency enhancing programs, competitive exams, appearing for that training. Then I say one word, HOTS. Remember, new word. You say that we are adopting a HOT system. HOTS means higher ordering thinking skills. New word. Everybody's ear should be, erected. What is this HOTS in that manner? Higher order thinking skills we are adopting, and for advanced learners, you can do many things for that. So all such things can be done for slow learners, advanced learners. Make documentation. As far as documentation is concerned, remember, notice by the principal, list of participants with signature, and outcome of that activity, feedback of that activity is necessary with geotag photos, video clips, paper news, and folders in the department. That is important. Then comes the idea of teaching learning process. That is again important. Peer team asks most of the questions from criteria 2 and criteria 5. Teaching learning methods. In the earlier methodology, percentage of teachers using ICT was asked. In this new methodology, you have to give in 500 words what type of ICT using faculty. I shall tell that after this. But you have to teach in 3 manners: experimental, participative, and problem-based. These 3 technologies you have to use. You may be knowing, but you must have documentation of all of them. In participative learning, you are having group discussions, seminars, Webinars also you have to take in participative question answer interactive sessions. Participative e-learning also can be done. What is that participative e-learning? I shall tell. On LCD, weekly once or monthly 1 or 2 lectures should be there of this type. Every lecturer should do that. Yeah, on LCD, he is teaching to the class. A class is having some 25-50 computers in LAN. And half an hour teaching is there. On that, some 5-10 questions are given in the computers of the LAN. And student will write those answers in their respective computers. And teacher will go from computer to see that. And take video clips of 10 minutes of this participative e-learning process. Every lecturer must do that. I may tell you one thing, expectation of NAC. Now in new policy, in new methodology, national education policy, after some years, you are having semester-wise exams. So in every semester, new thing. Next semester, next syllabus, next new thing. In that we have to go. So I want to tell from that new policy point of view that in every semester, every teacher must use one software of that of his subject, one course online, one course offline designed by the department in that way. So you will find that this participative e-learning, it has more importance. Google Classroom and QR code procedure is there also there. I shall tell after, but that is also participative learning process. Then comes experiential learning. In that you are doing something, that is field visit, industry visit. Those are there. Audiovisual aids you have to use now. For experimental software you have to use. One multi-sim software is there. Some of you may be knowing. Multi-sim software will give you artificial everything on the wall in the classroom. No necessity of any apartment, any equipments and all those things. So you will find that this particular such softwares can be used. Then problem-based technology teaching you are having. You can have class test, other tests, but among that you must have some quiz competition, question answer session, online test is there, MCQ, you can have multiple choice question. Another some tests are there. I shall explain in next ICT use part there. So all such problem-based technology you have to explain. So all these things you must write in that teaching learning process, 500 documents, words documents. Then there is a question regarding collaboration, MOU and linkages. I'm telling very tricky answers for them, getting for A and A+, A++ grade. For collaboration, MOU linkages, there is misunderstanding for each college and faculty members. What is that actually? I shall clear all doubts. Collaboration MOU linkages means what? MOU means the document. We, your college and that institution, that agency have agreed for the following linkages. And that linkages must have so many things that I'm telling you. For the period of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year in that manner. Collaborative activity may be for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day also. With local agency, Lion Club, Rotary Club, Gram Panchayat, for some cleaning activity, some corona activity, 1 day activity, that may be there. But that document collaboration for 1 day, that should be there. But for 5 years, 1 year, 3 year, 2 year, there should be functional MOUs. That word is there. Collaboration, any activity, any day, any month, any years, MOU document, maybe e-copy or paper copy. For foreign collaboration, e-copy is necessary. And particularly linkages, when I say that linkages can be, you have to write there, we have done this MOU for these linkages, which are they? These words should be there, write down. Student exchange program, faculty exchange program, on-job training, internship, for placement, for competitive exam guidance, for industry related activity, for educational activities, for social activities. You can have collaboration MOU linkages for local, regional, state level, national level, international level. And for all this, for with the help of GOs or NGOs you can do, that should be recognized, that thing. For national and internationally, you go for 50% MOUs. 50% may be local. But national, international agencies are there. You can have for science, arts, commerce like that, NCL, ISR, IUCA, ICHR, ICSSR, IIT, IIM, ISRO, NASA, ICA for Commerce, Institute of Chartered Accountants. So many things, so many agencies, Chamber of Commerce, so many things are there. For social, for languages, regional language, Prakashan Samstha, publication houses, they are their industries. For their particular subject, nature of the subject, that can be tapped and that can be done. For these linkages also can be done for soft skill program. In fifth criteria, that is essential. For communication skill, for life skill, for health related program, yoga related program, all such collaboration MOU linkages can be done for academic purpose, social purpose also in that manner. So remember all these things. Again, somewhere ratios you have to go. I told you student teacher ratio as you are having, and principal should not be afraid of that. When you say student teacher ratio, whatever ratio you are having, you give that. Nothing will happen. Only thing is regarding filling the post, your work should be done. That means sending to university or joint director office or any higher office that we are having short of these faculties, do the related thing. If you send a letter, do the procedure, show the letter to NAC peer team and show you the document, you will not be penalized in grade form. That is not your excuse in that manner. So you will find that mentor-mentee ratio, that is important. And for this, again, I am giving you one system. What that system? Mentor-mentee means for writing purpose, most of the colleges they are writing. Mentor-mentee 1:25 ratio. But what the work? Peer team doesn't have any document. You must prepare the work in this manner now. What is that? Principal in the beginning of every academic year must give a notice to the staff members that in the month of August, career counseling, in the month of September, see the words I'm telling you, career counseling, on-job training, efforts for placement, coaching for competitive exam, stress-related issues, academic issues. In that manner, words you write down in August in 1, September 1, October 1, December 1, January 1. In the beginning only you give this to all teachers. Then mentor-mentee in arts faculty, suppose 200 students are there, 5 teachers are there, 1:40 will be the ratio. Give that ratio common to all. And every mentor-mentee ratio should prepare the document that I told you. Whatever activity they do, they should take that activity in the computer folder, transfer it to IQC. IQC will take department-wise activity total on college level. One more thing I want to tell, that every faculty member, every department must have their lecture method video clip, 10 minutes, at least 10 to 15 videos of the year. Then their LCD teaching, participative e-learning teaching, video clips I'm taking. All such things they should have. PPT bank, video bank, they should have in the department. You have to give videos of a room, media hall. What is in that? You should give the names of the department plates there, name plates, economics, English, physics, English, chemistry in that manner, economics, commerce in that way. And on that nameplate, you have to write that in our department, 100 PPT are there in PPT bank. 200 videos are there in video bank. And other activities I'm telling in now next part, those activities are put ICT used in that manner. So that should be taken and that record is maintained. Remember all these things. Next thing, as far as committees are concerned, that is written involvement of students, teachers in decision making and committees. As far as committees are taken, you must have committee meetings. Anti-ragging committee, women empowerment committee, different committees we form. But for the sake of committee, we say that you must have rooms for them also. Placement cell, career counseling cell in that manner. So you must have rooms, you must have those cells in that way, and they should be active in the form of meeting. Now semester wise, I am telling you new education policy point and this point also, current point also. In every semester, you should have 2 meetings of the committee, every meeting. Committees of every time, 2 meetings of every committee. Take minutes in all those things, then put in the folders of the computer and transfer to IQC. That procedure everywhere. 2 good examples every year you have to give in AQR. Every year in AQR you have to give, in SSR you have to give two good examples of some committees. AQR you are sending every year. Remember, every year you are repeating something. Don't repeat the thing in AQR. 5 AQRs means 5 new things. 25% thing will be same as before. But 75%, 50% should be new in infrastructure manner, in technology use, in ICT use, in social activities also. Innovative names, innovative ideas, they should be in AQR. Same thing repeated. Now hereafter, remember, your RAR, SAR will be compared with your AQR. 5 AQRs, 4 AQRs, they will be verified with SSR, RAR, and then it will be rejected or accepted. Remember all these things. Be serious. So all these things, they are important. I tell you some new committees. Remember, very simple. You can have these new ideas, innovative ideas. One committee is E-Cell committee. Apart from regular committees, you do this. E-Cell means entrepreneurship cell. Commerce department, they may have entrepreneurship cell. Personality enhancement, personality PEP, PDP programs, share market, stock exchange related programs, they can do under that. Then for science, it is STEP committee, STEP, STEP, Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park. Then COIL committee. COIL means Center of Industrial Liaison. All departments, they are doing industrial related activity, that will be consolidated with this COIL committee. Then comes CORE committee, CORE, CORE. CORE means Center of Relevance and Excellence. Center of Relevance and Excellence. Then comes one committee I am taking, interesting committee, it is SMILE committee. When I say SMILE, the committee members should be smiling face members. That SMILE long form is, according to new methodology, SMILE means Social Media International Learning Education. Social Media International Learning Education. So form such committees, do the activities innovatively, you will get the thing nicely. Then I shall tell you what is actually ICT mean. Not LCD, not PPT. Be serious. I tell you first 2 things, they are essential. They are essential for C grade. For C grade, I am saying. Which are the 2 things? Google Classroom and QR code. Every teacher must have Google Classroom, teacher-wise, class-wise. You can prepare. If you are not having, you can have trainer for that one program you can take. Google Classroom, email you have to attach and code number given to the student. And whatever you are doing on WhatsApp, same thing can be transferred in Google Classroom. Suppose tomorrow you want to teach something, make 10 points, send to the student on Google Classroom. We want to teach tomorrow this. After teaching, you 5 questions on that. Some videos you got somewhere, some material, subject material, not other I am saying. Some subject material you are having, you just send on that. All such things can be put on that Google Classroom. Then is QR code. That is quick response code. On Paytm advertisement, you might have seen, on mobile also that is there. That quick response code, QR code, should be prepared for all departments and library also. And at the entrance, you must have such wall magazine. Your articles, lecturer articles, students article, innovative things, national, international, current events, all those documents, photos. And in that QR code, you must put videos and anything. On library wall magazine, you must have arrivals, 5 years question paper, university question paper, solutions of that, subject wise, job opportunities for the student you can have on library wall magazine. In that way, every year, at least 10 wall magazines of different subjects and library compulsory should be there. And yearly that should be put on e-magazine, selected part, and put on your college website. Call that as e-magazine. That is very important. So this is QR code and related idea. Then I shall read some new things in ICT. You can use that. It is tested. I also tested and verified. Write down them. Teno, Edmodo, Socrative, Kensil.com, Flipped Classroom, Own Cloud, SoundCloud.com, virtual learning platforms, mobile learning platforms, national level Swayam, e-Pathshala, MOOC, Moodle, OER, Open Education Resources, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, related FOSS, 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 FUSS, FUSS, GKL, Group Knowledge Leader, GKL, Team Viewer, Dream Viewer, XAMP. For different subject, it will be used. XAMP, LAMP, Prezi, Maya, Flash, Linux, Ruby, IoT, cloud computing, Python, big data, Hadoop, artificial intelligence, remote sensing ideas. I told you collaboration MOU linkages we can have with NSDB also, National Skill Development Board. NME ICT videos are there. National NTPL videos are, NPTEL videos are there. NME ICT videos are there. For science persons, Fact Tech Z. On YouTube, you can have so many new inventions will come. Science lab for science, it will be there. For science, Veka is there. GeoGebra. So many softwares are there. For commerce, taxable, everybody is knowing. You put your subject, economics related software that will come. Use that. One Amrita University is there in Tamil Nadu. They have given some open access. Fact that Amrita University, you can have value at the rate Amrita and you can register and you can use that. So many on net you will have things you can use that. In mobile, in cloud computing, there are 4 types. You may be knowing that. You use at least one. You are having in cloud computing, public cloud computing, community cloud computing, private cloud computing, hybrid cloud computing. There are 4 types of ultra modern softwares in cloud computing. They are HAAS, HAAS, hardware as a source, PaaS, PaaS, platform as a source, IaaS, infrastructure as a source, and SaaS, SaaS, software as a source. IoT, artificial intelligence, virtual learning platform, they are essential. You are having LAN computer, you are knowing that. There is one WAN technique, wide area network, you can have that. There is one VPN, virtual private network, you can have that. You are knowing Wi-Fi, like that Li-Fi is also there, light fidelity. With the help of particular light, one information from laptop, one laptop to another laptop, it is transferred as if it is Wi-Fi transferred. So you can have Li-Fi also. I told you PPT bank, video bank, digital question bank, they should be there in every department. On college website, you put one LMS@college. LMS@college. That means what? Learning management system @ your college name. And put all videos, all these techniques there. So that peer team will come to know in advance. And that will be good for you. Then I shall tell you YAMA-E and MEE. What is this actually? YAMA-E means meet industry expert. MEE means meet academic expert. You are taking guidance talks of different persons. Select from industry, select from academic professors and other academicians and call them in the college or virtual learning webinar, half an hour talk. Student will have interactive session half an hour and video clip of that MEE and YAMA-E. That is very important. So YAMA-E, MEE you must have. TPS you can have. TPS, think, pair, share. For advanced learners, you can have TPS, think, pair, share. That tomorrow every student will have one technology. Learn from home and here think, pair and share with the student. Faculty members also can do. Think, pair and share, TPS scheme, that is very important. All these things, they are good as far as this is concerned. You will find that in library, e-resource corner and e-competition corner, they are essential. E-resource corner, internet access, e-audio books, e-resources, all those things. In e-competition corner, you must have some almaris of competition books, sitting arrangement apart from reading room. And LFD, large format display TV, giving softwares of how to appear for the interview, write a resume, technical skills in that manner you can have there. E-audio, e-video books. Now footfalls are necessary. Footfalls means how many are entered in the library. That is necessary. Manual record and this record also. E-audio, e-video books for Braille Lipi. If persons are there, then you can have Braille Lipi softwares also. All those things are important. You will find that as far as research is concerned, every college says that we have published 500 research papers, 1000 research papers, 200 research papers. I say, very important thing now, if college is having only 50 research papers, but out of that, some of them are from paper to people, some of them are from lab to land useful, then that is good. You must have not only building should be clean, not color and in that form, but it should be clean in all respect. That is expectation. But instead of building, now show your human resource persons, that means faculty persons. Out of 50 persons in the faculty, you must produce at least 3 persons before peer team or in SSR in achievements in this manner, that these have done research which are useful for farmers. These are useful for community. In that manner, research is useful from paper to people, from lab to land. That is very essential. So you must think in this direction and go in that manner. LMS, MIS and ERP. These are the 3 things that are important. Learning management system, management information system and enterprise resource planning. In IIQA, in AQR, you have to give the agencies, you have to take that. And e-governance, e-communication. There is misunderstanding everywhere. E-governance and e-communication means simply automation of library, some receipt printing and all those things, not like that. Now listen, what is e-governance? I have seen in most of the colleges this type of software that only 2 papers are there in the office. Student admission form. With the help of that, in the computer, everything is filled, code number is given to the student. And thereafter, everything is done on that e-communication way. And at the end of the degree, he gives application for TC, leaving certificate. Principal issue, says issue. Then one click will give TC, filled up TC, principal sign within 2 minutes and give to the student. That is called e-governance. That should be in that, such type should be there in library, accounts, examination, everywhere that is written in the framework. You must take care of that. Then e-communication. E-communication will be from principal to staff. I am saying staff, teaching and non-teaching. Remember, e-communication from faculty to student in that manner. You prepare one email group, Google group, own cloud, whatever it may be, not WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not allowed in NAC. So you prepare that because printout you have to give in that particular manner. So you prepare that and communicate some 10 to 15 things in that during a month. Manually it will go, but some document should be there in e-communication. For e-communication from faculty to student, I told you, Google Classroom and QR code, they are very good, apart from other things. So this e-governance and e-communication, you give importance to that and go accordingly for that also. In library, in IT facility, in infrastructural facility, in gym, everywhere you will find that everywhere there should be some addition every year. Don't say same thing as you have said last year in AQR. That progressive development you have to give. IQAC must produce what is the stage before this NAC 5 years back. Then yearly placement in AQR you have to give. Next year plan also, implemented thing also. So you will come across with that part. So you take care of this thing everywhere. That is my thing. And you go very nicely. I shall say What is new technology? Let me ask a question. What is new technology presently in the world? Somebody will say nanotechnology, some will say nanoscience in that manner. Some of you may be knowing, I don't say that, some of you may be knowing there is new technology of cognitive science. That cognitive science have 5 branches: artificial intelligence, neurotechnology, neuroscience, anthropology, philosophy, psychology. These 5 branches are combined and interdisciplinary cognitive science is prepared. There is little thing in net, on the website, on the internet. You go through that. 4 or 5 courses are there. Adopt one course, that will be innovative. There is one new thing again. It is the e-green computing. Very new thing. E-green computing is used to reduce, to reuse, and to recycle. The waste global warming part is there. This e-waste material is there. For all that purpose, that is used. That e-green computing. So make things used for that. Get help from UGC, RUSA, DSD, DBD, Nano, Stride, Nano Mission, all those agencies, even HRD Ministry, Cultural Ministry, Sports Ministry, they are giving funds. So you have to go according to that. So whatever things I told you, you just think seriously, go accordingly for all of them. So I'm saying all these things just to have innovative things in this manner. Then as far as infrastructure is concerned, I may tell you one big thing, important thing. What is that? Every year, depending upon the strength of the student, every academic and support facility should be made available, sufficient, and utility is made of all of them every time. Depending upon the strength of the student, I'm saying. It may be academic, it may be social, it may be health related, it may be for NSS, NCC, sports, in that manner, for gym, for yoga, whatever it may be, it is written there, all those things. But what is required? Smart board, interactive board, LCD, sufficient. LAN computers, seminar with ICT facility, all these things are important. You must have utility also, you have to write every time, manually and online also you have to take. How many have used that? Those things. Then earlier I came across one continuous internal evaluation reforms, internal evaluation methods. I told you I shall tell you in detail. So that part is coming now. You have to write somewhere program outcome, course outcome, specific course outcome, that you can write for each subject. The problem is evaluation of learning outcome. The problem is continuous internal evaluation reforms, what are you taking? What is the attainment of program outcomes? What is the attainment of course outcomes? So all such are related. What methods you are adopting for this? There are different methods that I'm telling you, write down that. Class test, surprise test, open book test, PPT preparation, Viva preparation, seminars, through group discussion, webinars, assignments, projects, online tests, MCQ like test, then intergroup competitions, study material preparations, case study, event analysis, situation analysis. What does this mean? Suppose in Hubli, for example, 1 month back, 2 months back, some event occurred. After 1 month, 2 months, you just give some clever student one target that you just give a 1-page analysis, what is done, what is happened in last month or 2 months regarding that part, that event. That is brainstorming session. Collect every year some 150 student, clever students, such session, screenshots of these papers, brainstorming sessions. That may be called event analysis, case study, situation analysis. Make the document as e-brainstorming sessions, put on website. Librarian should take like that e-brain activity. It is book review, but in this form. What is that e-brain activity? You just take 100 students every year, good students, give general books to them, Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, any person, philosophy book, any book, and while returning the book, student should give on a piece of paper name of the student, class of the student, name of the book, and opinion about the book with the signature. Librarian should take screenshot of that and make every year e-brain activity of 100. Make a file, make a folder. So such things are very important. That's why I'm telling you. So this internal evaluation methods regarding that I was telling everything. Then quiz competition, poster competition, exhibition, collage competition, pre-semester end or pre-annual examination. All these things, they come under that. So all these things give you answers to all of them. Now remember, courses, ICT use, or this type of internal exam process, everybody should not do at a time. Some department must do this year, some department may do next year. IQAC must give planning for that. So whatever may be the courses, online, offline, this internal evaluation methods, all those things, technology use, whatever I told earlier. So you just take a meeting for that. This year, 4 departments, next year, 5 departments, next year, 10 departments. In that manner, you have to go. I am coming to IQAC now. IQAC should work in that manner for planning, monitoring, and record keeping of all academic activities in the college. That is the IQAC duty. IQAC must take stakeholders meeting, feedback procedure. They must look after AQR, NIRF, AISH, then academic industry visits, field visits, audits, academic administrative audits, periodic reviews. They should take of that. Prominent alumni and placement, they must take care of that. Achievements and awards of the college, maybe faculty, student, any type. If some student is challenging student, you have to develop for first year. He will get the award in third year. So you have to plan accordingly. Now there are some colleges for NAC, they are tapping the student from school. From matriculation, they are tapping a good player, a good debater, bringing to our college, to that college, and he will bring the awards for NAC purpose. Faculty members also should be in that way. So achievements awards also are also important. So all such things, they are important. And one more important thing that I want to tell now, very important thing. Collaborative quality initiatives should be taken by IQAC. Now, when I say collaborative quality initiatives, that means every year, maybe competitive guidance, maybe placement related activity, maybe some department doing academic activities. Academic, I am saying. You prepare your college board in collaboration with agency name, do that activity, make all the documents I told you, video clip of that. You must show some functional MOU also, functional collaborative activity also. Actually, I want to tell one thing, that in this January month, I am associated with one agency, national level agency. I can give that agency name to you. Actually, they were approaching me for 2 years, from 2 years, but I didn't go there. Now they ask me, I had put conditions that whichever college is coming through me, I shall take care of that. So they have given me authority letter for that. So you just write their name in collaboration. For documents, I shall sign. They have given me the authority regarding that. I am having authorities. I can give on anybody's WhatsApp. You just take the name of that particular agency. It is Seshadri Globally Educationally Competency Techniques. Seshadri Globally Educational Competency Techniques, SGECT. Their email you write down. Their email is ambaisheshadri@gmail.com. AMBAI. Sheshadri, SHESHADRI, Sheshadri @gmail.com. They will tell everything on mail only. Nobody will contact because a lot of things are there in their office. So they say only through mail. if you want, you can call me. I will go to them. I will ask them and convey to you that. My numbers also, those who are not knowing, they should note that for that purpose. My numbers, mobile numbers are 7276 375820. Once again, I repeat, 7276 375820. And second number is also there. 20 is replaced by 10. Lastly, 7276 375810. So you call me if you are interested. First of all, you send the mail to that, and then you call me. I shall do the things for you. I repeat the mail ID: Ambai, AMBAI, Sheshadri, SHESHADRI @gmail.com. So everybody should have such collaborative agency collaboration MOU document. They will give that document. I shall sign on that. So quality audit that is required now in new methodology. So IQAC, for IQAC, that agency gives quality audit also. They will send you document online. I shall sign on that document on their behalf, on the SGCT behalf, and that will serve the purpose of your NAC. So you will find that all these things are necessary. You must think it carefully and do the things very nicely. Next, in the last part, I'm going to extension activity and 7 criteria. In extension activity, as far as criteria 3 and criteria 7 are concerned, you must remember that no activity is repeated, no student is repeated. That is not considered. Repeated activity, students are not considered. That thing you must remember. Whenever it is NSS written, NCC sports written, there only you write on NSS activity. Everywhere you do not put the name of NSS. Everywhere do not put the name of NCC sports in that way. So take care of that. Then in the 7 criteria, you are having community related activity and involving the community. So take care of that also. Write that part only there. Irrelevant answers you are giving, then also rejected. Some principals called me that they are rejected due to wrong answers, irrelevant answers in that way. So you will find that all these things. Then you must have collaborations. I told you for extension activity also, that collaboration may be local level, state level, regional level, national level, international level also. You have to do the activities for this social, educational, industry related, environment related, health related, in that way. All those activities should be taken care of. I may tell you one thing, that in 7 criteria, you are having some words in AQAR and in SSR. Inclusion and situatedness. Locational advantage and locational disadvantage. Their meaning is same. What you want to do, you have to take, college should take efforts for inclusiveness regarding diversities, maybe economic diversities, biodiversities, maybe any linguistic, regional, whatever it may be, you must study that. So for that purpose, I tell every college in seminars, webinars in that way, that you adopt some college. By economics, sociology, psychology, political science persons, botany, zoology persons, all these diversity, they should be traced. Surveys can be taken. Some 10 problems from that village adopted. They are surveyed. They are put in question form, sent to the related agency, maybe Panchayat Samiti, district office, collector office. And when peer team comes to your college, before that you take a Sarpanch certificate, village Sarpanch, Gram Panchayat certificate, that this college has done this work for this village, and here is the proof. You will get good credit. I may tell you one thing, National Green Commission, you might have heard in New Delhi, earlier 2-3 years back, Ravi Shankar, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar have been penalized for some event in Yamuna Tir. And this Ravi Shankar have to put that money, penalty he has to fill up. No excuse was given. That National Green Commission have good system. They have sent some money and procedure to state governments. State governments in turn gave to district level, gram level, village level also some money also regarding this. Regarding water schemes, water storage and all those things, this biodiversity, economic diversity, linguistic diversities for Adivasi periods, for all of them, everything is given. And you just think of that, something you can do. And you save some 10,000, 15,000 rupees of the government, state government that has come through that scheme. Take a Sarpanch certificate that college has saved 10,000 rupees of the government by doing this event given to village Gram Panchayat. Such type of things you must have. You will find that such things will give you good marks in that manner. I may tell you one social activity again, very important social activity, that you call 50 farmers and each subject can give guidance, half an hour guidance to those 50 farmers. Commerce people give you minimum cost, maximum crop. Economics people give you market related solutions to them. Botany people will give organic farming. Zoology people will give pesticides directions. Similarly, sociology, political science, voter awareness program, internet banking, Kisan app, Bhim app, all these things can be done to them. So for 50 farmers, in 1 year, if you call, distribute those events by the department during the complete year. That means you have conducted that particular event on 25th December. What will take on July, same event. This will take on August, same data will be same, activity will be different, different activities can be shown. Such type of thing you can have every year, you can have every semester, doesn't have problem. So all these things you must have in your mind and keep the things very well. That I told you. As far as health related problems, activities are concerned, national event, national current time to time related activities and health related, yoga related, not only blood donation camp, now organ donation, bone density, biomass index, organ donation, bone density, biomass index, blood related disease. For that, now this corona testing, not only testing, not only awareness program, not only distribution of sanitizer and masks and all those things, but curing some patients, making helpful for them, making clips of that. In PPA kits, all will be same. So without PPA kit, you have to just show your activeness in that way. So all such things, they are very important as far as extension activities are concerned. In criteria 3 and criteria 7, I told you. In 7.1, whatever things are given there regarding rainwater harvesting, green practices, energy related issues, facilities for disabled, all those, you have to do that because it is the college projection. If something you do not do, that will affect more. For A grade, A plus, A double plus, everything from 7.1 you have to do. Remember that. As far as 7.2 is concerned, you have to give 2 best practices. One thing you remember, that this practice word, any word from best practice should not come earlier in 6 criteria. Rainwater harvesting, you will say best practice. No, it has come. Competitive exam guidance, best practice. No, it has come earlier. Software use, technical use, ICT use, best practice. No, it has to be done. This must have these things. Remember, best practices must involve in 1000 words you have to write. That should include student involvement, community involvement, and technology use, latest technology use. I tell you one, think of other. Every college that can be taken because area, village is different, place is different. I say digital economic literacy in Hubli. You change the name of the place. Digital economic literacy in Hubli. In 2.5 years, one practice. In another 2.5 years, other practice. 2 practices you have to do. In each semester, you select some data. In one semester, women, Mahila Bachat Gat, saving schemes. Give them internet banking techniques. Paytm, ATM use in that way, training through bank managers, through experts. Then in second, you take school going children, middle school, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then slum area, then farmers, then village. Such mob you collect in each semester, give them internet banking, digital banking, ATM, Paytm use. Deceived persons are so many. Digital banking deceived persons, call them from Hubli, and not to be deceived, training should be given. So in that way, the digital economic literacy in particularly that area, that will be best practice, good for that. Any college who wants to do that, let them call me. tell me 3 practices out of this, not this, I'm saying best digital economic, other 3 practices, I shall tell best of the best for you. And you go accordingly. So as far as this 7.2 is concerned, and last 7.3 is distinctiveness, college distinctiveness, institutional distinctiveness. That means what? You are putting in 6 criteria, your vision mission document, perspective strategic plan document, all those things there. In this distinctiveness, you have to put 1 point of vision and mission. You have to write, this is one of the points of our vision and mission. The following is the explanation of performance of our college with distinctiveness as per this stated point of vision and mission, and you have to write in 1000 words what you have done. If that point in your vision mission is Adivasi children, women, girl child children, it is for local neighborhood, then according to that, what you have done in admission for 5 years, that report you have to do. So in that manner, everything should be written in proper manner. All that I want to tell with headlines in that way. I'm saying headlines. They are minor lines, those you can fill, but taken care of that I told earlier. At last, I shall tell one story and one shero shairi share and stop. That story is simple. In one jungle, in one forest, 3 brothers were quarreling. They were having 17 peacocks. Elder brother wanted 50%. 17 by 2 cannot be done. Second brother wanted 3rd part, cannot be done. Third brother wanted 9th part, cannot be done. In that forest, one village person, one villager, he was having mind, proactive mind. At that time, NAC was not there. He wanted to do some community work for this. He came to these 3 brothers and told, I shall give you the distribution as per your, as you are telling, you are having 17. That person, jungle mind person having 1 peacock, he have put his 1 peacock there. It has become 18. Elder brother got 50%. 18 divided by 2, 9 peacocks. Second, third part, 6 peacocks. Last 9 part of 18, 18 divided by 2, 2 peacocks. So first one 9, second one 6, third brother 2, 9 plus 6 plus 2, 17 peacocks of brothers given to the brothers. And 18th last peacock, that person has taken with himself and gone to other part. Now at this point, in this hour, I have taken my peacock in Hubli, in your college for webinar. I am taking that out. I am giving this peacock for giving you the potential encouragement. Whatever you are doing, you can do it. Quality individual, quality institution, and quality India that you can do. This is the chance. NAC is the chance to bring out the potential within you, develop yourself, develop your college, and develop the particular area in India. Face the new challenge of new education policy that is there. Lastly, I shall tell one shero shairi share and stop. NAC के लिए अच्छा ग्रेड मिले ना मिले, NAC के लिए अच्छा ग्रेड मिले ना मिले, ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, मगर उसके लिए जी जान से, मगर उसके लिए जी जान से कोशिश न करना गलत बात है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. We believe that the knowledge you have shared will help immensely in the development of our college and translate into our programs. Thank you so much, sir. Now, last but not the least, we reached to the end of the webinar, that is vote of thanks. So I request Dr. Rajesh, NK IQSC coordinator, to propose a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. I, Dr. Rajesh Nairi K, IQSC Coordinator, PC Jabina Science College, Hubballi, take this opportunity to deliver vote of thanks on the occasion of a national webinar on quality enhancing AQAR, SSR and its documentation organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of PC Jabin Science College, Hubballi. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Dr. Prabhakar B. Kore, Chairman, Board of Management, Kelly Society, Belagavi, for the constant support. As well, I like to extend my sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. L.D. Horkere, for the unconditional support. My special gratitude to today's resource person, Dr. S.N. Dharmadikari, educationist, UGC and NAC committee member, Pune, for spending his valuable time with us. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to Shri Sidhu, sir, so Department of BCA for technical support, and all the IQAC members of PC Jabin Science College for their active involvement in the webinar. At last, heartfelt thank you to all the participants for their energetic and active participants. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you.
Okay. So feedback link is already provided in the chat box. So kindly give the feedback. Thank you, one and all.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Send feedbacks to me also on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
सर चैट बॉक्स में शो नहीं कर रहा, चैट बॉक्स हमें शो नहीं कर रहा है.
Just check it, sir, now.
प्लीज ग्रुप में
See
सर
the
फीडबैक नॉट शो, चैट बॉक्स नॉट शो. डॉक्टर आशुतोष कुमार.
yes, sir. We will send it, sir. So anyhow, we have this. We will send it to the group, WhatsApp group.
Yeah, thank you.
So we will end.